Today, I'm gonna show you how to smoke a beef in an oven. Very simple and easy. So that will last for months. Yes, without getting spoiled. This is our meat. I got 4 kilo of meat here. It's quite heavy. This way of preserving meat has been from generation to generation. This is how our great grandmothers used to preserve meat. So they will dry the meat and preserve it in the pot and get the ashes that they use for cooking food that they use from firewood. And then after drying the meat, they will spread around the meat when it is dry and put another ash in the pot, and then they put the dry meat in it. It will last for months and it will not get spoiled. You don't need to dry it all at once. Yeah, you put it when it's like almost is dry, and you'll get it off the heat, not dry completely halfway. You'll leave it to set for like 2 days, and again you put it back on the fire to dry. That way it will allow the meat to be soft. When you're cooking it, it will be very soft and tender. That's the secret of drying meat. So I'll cut it into section like this piece. You don't need to cut it very small. Then that section, like that. Next, we'll transfer it here. Yeah, we'll arrange it here. Like that. Need to leave some space for the air to pass in through. It's gonna go in the preheated oven and 200. Yeah. So we'll leave it to dry slowly in a low heat for an hour, and then we'll get it off from the oven and let it set for 2 days, and then after 2 days we'll put it back to complete drying. So guys, at this point you get the meat out from the oven as soon as the water is out. As you can see, the liquid from the meat is all out, so we're gonna pour it away. See that? So it's gonna go back in the oven. So guys, welcome to the second day of drying our beef. So we're going to get it out from the oven and we'll let it dry back for at least like 10 minutes, and then that's it. Our meat will be dry. This is how the meat look now, as you can see. Yeah, after staying like 2 days. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven. So this is our final look of the meat. As you can see, it came out so nice. So I'm gonna cut here to show you how good it is. See, that's how you dry your meat. Very nice. Our meat, yeah, very nice and soft. It will cook for about 20 minutes to get ready, and full of flavor, guys. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share with your friends, and comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. Thanks so much for watching.